You want to be a tap dancer? Welcome to Tap Dance Tutorial at Home. My name is Anna Scott. I'm a professional tap dancer and performer, very keen on old Hollywood style tap dancing. And ultimately, I want to share with you my passion for this art form and specifically the musical finesse of those golden years. I also want to create tutorials that I wish I could have had access to when I started. You can know more about me on my website www.annascottartiste.com. So, this channel is all for dancers. Here's what you will find. Follow along training at different speeds to bring your technique to the next level. Breakdowns of famous routines, warm-ups and routines on various styles of music, funk, blues, jazz, and also a vlog section when I'll discuss some practical issues. I want to thank you all the people, performers, dancers, musicians who are already part of this growing community. And now I look forward to meeting you. So, you want to be a tap dancer?